I've always admired those quilts with 3D building block designs, but I'm not too crazy about Y seams. So if you're like me, you're going to love the tricks you'll find in this Cubix pattern, which uses the fun little spot-on tool. Here you see a more traditional blue sample that I made. It's the one on the cover. But today I'm going to try to make one with this black as the background and these yellows for my cubes. I'm going for a look of floating cubes in outer space. From this fabric, I cut strips and I made strip sets. Then I placed my spot-on tool onto the strip set so that the T1 line is right on that seam, and then I cut them out, A, B, and C. Now we need mirror image spot-ons. You can either turn the tool over or turn the fabric over and cut from the wrong side, as you see here. Place the spot-on tool onto the strip set so that the T1 line is directly along the stitching, and you'll cut mirrored spot-ons of A, B, and C. Here are the 3 pairs we'll use to make the A units. We'll sew this pair end to end. Add a third, sewing along the side to make the first half. For the second half, sew the end-to-end pair, and then add the last piece. Put those halves together and sew. We'll trim the ends, and now we'll add these triangles to give the cube tips. And you'll trim these using the spot-on to give you spot-on accuracy. This makes Unit A. Now for Unit B. We're going to start with the same spot-on pieces, one of each, but the difference is how you arrange them. So the first pair's end to end, and notice this time they match. Now add the third, and you'll make the other half, and sew the halves together. We'll add triangles to make tips, and trim Unit B in the same way that you did Unit A. Let's compare A to B units. The A cube has the diamond shape pointing to the tip, like the letter A. And the diamonds in the B unit make a base, like B. Here they are labeled, and now we'll rotate the A's and B's counterclockwise like you see here. The labeled corner of the A points down and to the left, and the corner of B's points up to the left. Now sew each half. Place the halves together and sew them, and add a border, and here it is quilted and bound. I hope you too will find this a fun way to make 3-dimensional floating cubes. Both the Cubix pattern and the spot-on tool are available on our site, phillipsfiberart.com. Thank you for watching, and God bless.